Morning!
Morning.
We're about to go on our Milford Sound cruise. We're going with Southern Discovery. It came in the package with the hotel. There's a few little tricks to kind of like making sure you get here on time, so we'll give you some tips a little bit later on, but we're about to board.
Some place, I'm sure.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers. What do we have for brekkie, Andrew?
So we've got croissants, a fruit salad, a muffin, freshly baked, muesli,
Yep.
and orange juice and some coffees.
Yum.
Beautiful.
And how was the sunrise this morning?
Stunning. Like pink over the mountains. Little bird has joined us for breakfast. Here it goes. Very curious. It clearly wanted part of that breakfast. You know? Oh, it's gone. There it is. It's going. It looks like a kiwi bird, but it isn't. Do you remember what bird it is? No. No, we don't remember.
A toot toot.
A toot toot. What bird is it, Lydia?
So in the hotel, there's this little book, Wild New Zealand, and it literally is like a really thick book with like all animals and plants and everything. So we've been using it to look up the birds we've been seeing, because we've been seeing quite a few birds actually. Oh my god, there's so many birds in this book. It's in the land bird section, I believe. Or maybe not. Flightless bird section, maybe? Rail, crakes, and moor wrens section. A Weka. W-E-K-A.
Weka.
Mainly east and north of NI. North Island.
North Island.
Large flightless brown rail. And there's 4 different species of them. They're territorial. They live in hollow logs and short burrows, and they're year-round opportunistic breeders.
No. There he is. Weka.
Welcome to the Pride of Milford. We're cruising with Southern Discovery. They came in the package for our hotel. We're on a 10:30 a.m. cruise, which I think is probably the way to go if you can, to avoid people.
A lot of people,
There's probably only like 40, 50 people on the boat, and it's like a massive boat. But I would say the afternoon ones get pretty busy.
Yep.
There's full day parking, about a 10-minute walk.
5-10 minute walk
from the ferry terminal, but you do have to get here a fair amount before your boat cruise starts.
Yep.
So ours started at 10:30 and we got here at 10 to check in and get our passes, go to the bathroom.
Yep.
So I would leave plenty of time to kind of park your car, pay for your parking, walk over, especially because the walkover is really beautiful. There's lots of really like nice places to stop for photos. Like we like sped walk to get here on time, so we didn't do any of that.
Oh, and where to sit on the boat. So we asked the crew, and on these boats, if you're facing the front of the boat, sit on the left side.
Yeah. So if you're facing towards the front of the boat, the left-hand side, right up the top.
Right up the top if you can, if there's like a top deck.
Yeah.
So yeah.
And then if you're staying at the lodge, there is a really nice like walk along the lake, the waterfront, that you can take from the hotel. But it's about a 45-minute walk, and then you have to make sure that you're here early enough before your cruise starts. And the people at the hotel desk did say that some tourists get lost on the bushwalk. So if you're going to take that option, I think it would be beautiful. We were meant to, we just didn't leave enough time. So I would leave like plenty of time for photo stops and for getting lost.
Yeah.
There's no reception at Milford Sound, so make sure you download all your maps before you come in.
Cool.
But we're on here for about an hour and 45 minutes.
Yes.
There's free tea and coffee. There is no food. You can purchase food. I think if you book a 1 o'clock cruise, they do provide like a buffet lunch. So, and I think it's the same price as the other one. So that might be a hack if you want to try and get a free lunch.
Yeah. Cool. All right.
Not the highest peak around here, but definitely the most recognisable. going to travel along the base of Birdwatching all the way out to the Tasman Sea, and we'll spin around and come back in along the northern side. As we're cruising, keeping a lookout for any wildlife.
Looks like Jurassic Park. It's wavy now. Lydia, how are you hanging up? Apparently can get up to 3-meter swells here, so it can get quite rough.
I'm so glad there's some sun though, oh my god.
Yeah, it's nice and warm. Yeah. Whoa! Whoa! Big swells. We are very tiny right now in comparison to these mountains and fjords.
Oh, welcome to
Isengard.
Oh god, on the car.